TW 747 Cessna 4-channel. Over the curb now. I gotta go get it. Boo. Alright, well, there you have it. It's a beautiful Yukon morning. Oh yeah. Sun is shining. And this is a new flying spot. It's about a 2-minute drive from my house. There's an industrial area right there. And there's this paved road that just comes all the way over to there. And there's a circular turnaround spot. And other than that, it's nothing. You just gotta watch out for these street lights. So it's like they paved a runway just for me, which is pretty darn toot and cool. Alright, see you later.